Hi everyone, welcome to English 101. This is an online course. I'm Dana Corlett-Bryant. Today we're going to go over some of the basics of navigating this course on Canvas. And we're going to start right here on the home page. So after you've selected this course from your course offerings, this is what your home page will actually look like. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the Getting Started section, which is going to be under Welcome. So if you go to Welcome, you're going to see a little welcome here, which will include this video, and then you'll go to the Getting Started section. Okay, the Getting Started section is very important, especially for this course, because we're moving at a very fast pace. So it's going to cover all the essential basics that we need to be successful in this course. So it's going to go over the writing process, academic name use, tone, voice, and style, MLA format, and MLA citations. Okay, so if you scroll down, you'll see all that information and some links to other great stuff to help you out. Alright, so if we go back to our home page, let me go back to Welcome. We're going to see this contact info section here. So if you select this, I have my email address there, but you can also contact me via this inbox here. This is actually the easiest format. It emails me through Canvas, and then it goes to my regular email. I get it right on my phone, and then I can answer you right back. Also, I'll tell you a little bit more about this in a little bit if you're not familiar with that feature. Also, we're going to talk about the course syllabus and calendar. These are very important. So the course syllabus, it's almost like a contract between you and I. You know what to expect from this course, the outcomes that are expected, all that great stuff, the course policies. So you should definitely read this over. It is expected that you will. Next, we're going to talk about the course calendar. So this is everything that's happening in this fast-paced 8-week course. So it has week by week what's going on, what topic will be covered, and what assignments are due. Okay. Also, on that same note, in relation to when things are due, there's another great feature over here on the home page. It says to do, and then right here it says everything that's to do for this week. All right, and also if you click on them, it'll take you directly to that assignment. So that's a neat feature. And then also, if you go back home here, you have that to-do section. Also, it says coming up, so it's going to let you know, hey, if you want to plan ahead, what's coming up next week. And if you're even more into planning ahead, if you go here, you're going to see everything for the month, and you can actually scroll, months ahead and see what's going on in this course. Also, we've designed a helpful hint section, so if you need a few extra pointers on things like netiquette, MLA, researching in the peer review process and how to perform it, you can find some more resources there for those things. Also, very, very important, I feel, here is this Canvas section. It says Canvas Help and Tutorials. If you select this, you'll see right here, there's this Canvas overview. At minimum, I feel like this is a section that you should at least view the video on that. Also, there's communication, which will cover this great feature we were talking about earlier, how to use that, and then the assignments feature, it'll tell you all about assignments and how to submit them and all that, and then also grades will cover obviously grades, right, in the grade book, and then the discussions will also be the discussions feature, which we will have a discussion post this week, so it'll help you out with that. This course, again, is only 8 weeks. It's super fast-paced. It's broken down into 4 modules, which are the 4 major assignments. They're the 4 major and the 4 required to pass this course. Okay, so you must complete all 4 of the rhetorical analysis paper, the first argument paper, the annotated bibliography, and the academic argument paper to be eligible to pass this course. So let's look at Module 1, which is the rhetorical analysis paper. We see here we have week 1 and week 2. Each module is 2 weeks long. So if we look at week 1, let's go to the week 1 assignments. Okay. So if we go there, like the course calendar, very similar setup, except you can see that there are links here. Okay, so we know everything that's due. All right, and then if we click on one of these, like the mini draft, I need to turn that in. It has where you can have submitted the assignment, and it will have some additional resources there too. Whoopsie here. So if we go back to assignments again, we're going to week 1 assignments, right? There's also week 1 materials, which is week 1 resources listed on there, right? So if we go under there, there's all the readings, links, videos that we need to help us with the topic that week. And also, if you notice down the bottom, it will usually be located here, the readings for this week in your text, the required text for this course. So that should be everything with that. All right, if you have any questions at any time, feel free to email me. You can do it via my KCC email address or just through this inbox here, which again is the easiest. I'm looking forward to a great semester. Talk to you guys soon.